Oh.
It's their way of saying they love each other.
Bro is sniffing.
Goes.
Ribs. Dude, what is his problem?
This is what I like to do.
I'm a makeup artist.
Oh, thank you. I like how you're just slapping my face.
I really blended out that one spot.
Oh, you did.
Heard that cat's tails wagging is not a good thing. Oh!
Where are you guys going?
Oh my god.
Okay, I'm gonna leave.
My finger is stuck to the thing.
Awkward. Tara! She's vibes, she's vibes.
She's riding, she's riding.
Guys, there's literally glue right now. LA wasn't so freaking crowded.
I know. It would be so nice. You're slay! It's beautiful out here. My camera isn't focusing.
I thought I swore I had it.
It's not focusing. Oh, there we go. It's beautiful out here.
I think you can almost win this really cool
What?
This really cool thing. Wait, let me try winning it for you. I don't think this freaking machine works, guys. Oh. It doesn't freaking work. Alright, what did you want to win? It's gonna be a weak ass grip, guys. Wait, should I get this one?
Even the grip is weak.
Or the one right here?
The one right there might be easier.
This one right here. Oh wait, no, it's not easy, guys. I freaking lied.
Oh.
I'm lying. I'm a liar.
You're a liar. You lied to me. Oh?
Oh.
I have something back. Oh! My natto! Natto. Pitching back the natto.
Okay, so you want this one, right?
Yeah.
I'll get you a new one because I dropped it.
Slay! Thank you, good sire.
J-Hope! They're J-Hope from BTS. What?
J-Hope. Cute. Serving curds. Are they serving curds?
They're serving curds, dude. They're serving
They're kind of serving curds. What's your favorite? We just came from there. Kawaii claws.
Do you like the nails? Is it slay?
Are the claws kawaii?
The claws are kawaii.
Let's see the kawaii claws. Slay! Slay!
Slay.
We're at the bus stop at Glendora, and there's cars driving by.
This is careless behavior.
This is carless behavior.
Don't leave your drink here.
I'm gonna drink. I'm gonna sip on it, dude.
What if someone snatches it, dude?
No!
I think the bus is like still far away, guys. Like we're out here sitting ducks. We're walking, guys.
We're walking. Hey guys, we're stuck at the traffic light. It's not focusing. We've made it. We've made it to the mall. I'm a little scared of the people behind us. They're scaring me. That is very pretty.
Man, I wish I could wear like a dress. Other waffle fries.
Salad. Chicken. Ringo. Rate the day.
Wait, what?
Rate the day.
The day is okay.
Oh yeah.
Oh god. Oh, it's blocking my face. Guys, this is an innocent little boba.
It's so
Boba
cute.
plush, right?
It's so adorable. Here's the haul, the lipstick haul. And the setting spray. Oh, oh, oh. Ano mo?
I have some food here, so I'll probably eat it. So look at this. It's like a winter wonderland.
It's beautiful out here.
It's beautiful. Like, oh, look at that dude.
It's
That's, like,
gorgeous.
so smart, 'cause
Oh
they're,
my
like,
gosh. Deers.
This is like so smart because it's like he's on a freaking iceberg.
True. And there's only one. There's only one very tiny iceberg. It's lore accurate.
It's so accurate, guys.
Yoda. Nerds.
Dude, their lighting bill must be crazy.
I know.
They just do their dude, you know?
They do their dude.
They do their dude, guys.
The Grinch. Classic.
The grunge.
Is that another Grinch over there? It may be.
It may be another grunge.
A nice little wreath. I hear your dog sniffing. One time I was pooping.
Oh.
And Butter was like sticking his nose under the door, like.
How is it butter, boy?
Butter is like this big.
And this is what we're going to be eating and living out of for the whole time we're on the way.
Transferring the Tech 8-pack food modules onto the submarine.
Ah! No! What is your opinion on this, Milo?
Oh.
It's very interesting over there.
It's called coconut freaking massage. And so I googled it and I checked on Yelp and like all the positive reviews were from men. Negative reviews are from women. So I'm thinking there's like a freaking underground prostitution going on. I don't
And
think it's
the
underground.
reviews from the women is that they wouldn't get replies when they would try to make appointments.
And they would get freaking ignored and closed off. So
But they would see guys coming out of the massage parlor.
I know. So that's my, like, it's just so suspicious to see, like, this is, like, out and about in daylight. Like,
I made strawberry milk. Post sleepover vibes, rate the sleepover.
it was a 7 out of 10 only because I was freaking cold AF.
True.
I
It was so cold last
freezing.
night.
I was
Night, baby. Hearts, 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 hearts.
Stop looking.
Look at all these cute little pictures of Butter.
What is that? Ew, that reminds me of that one photo of Matthew.
It does.
Slay. Terra Slay.
Slay, slay, Terra slay.
Terra Slay.
That's me, by the way. Yeah. I kind of slayed this photo. I kind of saved all of these photos, I'm not even gonna lie. Here's the sunset. Here's 2 frog sculptures Rin has in their house.
Those are 2 gay frogs, guys.
2 gay frogs. Here's my fit checks. Yeah,
Is that the bathroom
Yeah.
in the shop?
that is the bathroom in the shop. Did I show you all the sunset? Oh, here's the tea I was drinking. Butterfly tea.